Premium gaming keyboards from renowned brands often come with a steep price tag, costing $100 or more, especially for wireless models. However, not everyone can afford or desire to spend hundreds of dollars on an input device, especially when budgeting for other peripherals and components is necessary. Fortunately, numerous budget-friendly mechanical keyboards are available that offer a satisfying typing experience for less than $100. Let's get started exploring these options with the 7 best budget mechanical keyboards of 2024. MSI Vigor GK50. The MSI Vigor GK50 Elite is an excellent keyboard for typing. Like the MSI Impulse, it features the outstanding Kyle Box white, clicky, switches. For those who prefer an even louder typing experience, this keyboard is also available with Kyle Blue switches. While the plastic keycaps on the Vigor GK50 Elite are not fancy, they performed well in resisting fingerprint smudges during testing. MSI has included a premium top plate, but the cable is a bit less impressive, being made of rubber and not feeling particularly durable. Overall, the Vigor GK50 Elite is a well-priced, albeit simple, keyboard that offers a premium typing experience. However, gamers might miss out on premium features such as additional macro keys and onboard memory. Additionally, the Vigor GK50 Elite is only available with clicky, tactile switches, which can be tiring to use repeatedly and rapidly during intense gaming sessions. Cooler Master CK552. The Cooler Master CK552 is a budget-friendly mechanical gaming keyboard that offers great value for most users. It is a full-sized keyboard with RGB backlighting, an aluminum top plate, and a 5.9-foot, 1.8 m USB 2.0 cable. It comes with Gateron switches, which are available in 3 different types: red linear, blue clicky, or brown tactile. The Gateron red switches on the CK552 are highly responsive, making them ideal for gaming. However, their sensitivity might cause accidental key presses during intense gaming sessions, which could be problematic for heavy typing tasks. Choosing a different switch type, such as blue or brown, might help mitigate this issue, but these options have been scarce in recent times. For gamers and enthusiasts, the CK552 offers several handy features. It has onboard memory that can store up to 4 profiles, allowing you to switch between different settings easily. Additionally, it has on-the-fly controls that enable you to record macros and customize the backlighting directly on the keyboard. While the CK552 is compatible with the Cooler Master Portal utility, which provides more granular control over various settings, it is not as robust as some of the software offerings from competitors like Razer Synapse. Nonetheless, the dual approach of on-keyboard controls and software customization should appeal to users who prefer minimal software installations as well as those who desire greater control over their peripherals. Aukey KMG14. The Aukey KMG14 was the only clicky budget mechanical keyboard that comes with an almost unbearable clacking sound. However, everything else about the keyboard was a welcome surprise, given its price. Aukey equipped the KMG14 with RGB backlighting and full N-key rollover. It also used double-shot ABS keycaps, which is surprising for such an inexpensive mechanical keyboard. The KMG14 comes with a keycap puller to make it easier to swap out the keycaps with something more stylish, a nice touch that other manufacturers could consider including with their less visually appealing keycaps. While marketed as a gaming keyboard, it can be recommended for typing, although the clicks can be distracting. It is suitable for playing games like Valorant and Call of Duty: Modern Warfare. However, there are no tactile or linear switch options available, which could be less distracting. Users who prefer single-player games or don't mind potentially annoying their teammates with every key press will find a fine gaming keyboard in the KMG14. Havit KB487L. The Havit KB487L is a unique keyboard that defies conventional categories. It has a standard 10-keyless or TKL shape, but instead of the usual cluster of shortcut keys on the right-hand side, it features a number pad. This innovative design offers the space-saving advantages of a TKL keyboard while accommodating those who need a dedicated number pad, typically found on larger keyboards. For users who rarely utilize the shortcut cluster or number pad, the KB487L's layout may not make a noticeable difference during everyday use. However, those accustomed to a more traditional layout might find it challenging to adapt initially. Havit has equipped the KB487L with durable PBT keycaps that provide a premium feel. The keyboard boasts a distinct black, white, and orange color scheme, allowing it to stand out from the sea of monochromatic keyboards currently available. The KB487L neither looks nor feels like a typical budget mechanical keyboard, offering a unique and high-quality experience. Redragon K615 Elise. The Redragon K615 Elise continues the company's tradition of delivering remarkably capable and well-built devices at bargain prices, costing just $35. The K615 is a compact wired mechanical gaming keyboard with RGB lighting, low-profile tactile blue switches, and a solid feel enhanced by a metal band that runs around the entire edge of the device. Redragon even includes a removable USB-C cable and flip-up feet to adjust the keyboard's angle for comfortable typing and gaming. Despite the incredibly low price and compact form factor, there are some compromises. The K615 does not come with software, so users will have to rely on the 18 preset lighting modes, although it is possible to record a custom light show through a complex combination of key presses. Additionally, the limitation of just 61 keys means that many common characters and functions, such as the arrow keys, are relegated to secondary FN functions. However, this is a limitation of the space-saving 60% form factor, not a fault of this particular keyboard. Logitech K845. Logitech's K845 replaces the previous budget productivity pick, the K840. The K845 costs about $10 more but adds white backlighting with 5 patterns and 3 brightness levels. For $60, you get a full-sized mechanical layout with an aluminum top plate and your choice of red, linear, blue, clicky tactile, or brown switches made by TTC. If you're willing to spend $20 more, you can opt for one of the 845 chains models, which feature Cherry MX red or blue switches. The Logitech K845 sports an aluminum top plate that both looks good and delivers a more premium feel than you might expect from a keyboard in this price range. However, if you're used to pricier keyboards with lots of heft, the K845's 1.72-pound weight and plastic shell might not scream premium. There are no dedicated macro or media keys, included software, or detachable cable. And the white backlight isn't as snazzy as RGB. But these features are not expected in this price range. The flip-up plastic feet at the back feel more substantial and durable than many other keyboards with higher price points. If you're after a simple, no-fuss, entry-level mechanical keyboard for productivity purposes and some occasional gaming here and there, the Logitech K845 is an excellent option, especially if you can snag it on sale. So that was all about the 7 best budget mechanical keyboards of 2024. Which one are you gonna buy? And why? Let us know in the comment section below.